So I don't give you guys a ton of updates on things that kind of go dormant or you don't use. One of them being asparagus. I did an IGTV on talking about asparagus, especially in the spring as you're picking it. But after you're done picking it kind of mid-June, what happens to it? It becomes a huge, shrubby, bush type plant. This is my asparagus bed. It is a perennial. It comes from the roots, obviously, and its roots are the most important. So this time of year, after you're done picking and it grows up into what really looks like a, guess what, asparagus fern. If you've seen that annual, that's obviously the same family. What is going on is the plant created all of this so it can gain energy down in its roots and give its roots all the energy it needs by sucking in the sun from all this plant. So this is important to keep. When it's green, you keep it. It's alive, it's growing, it's helping its roots grow, which is gonna give you more asparagus the next year. So keep this as it is all season long until it looks dead. So I wait usually until the next spring, sometime around maybe March, when it's nice enough that I go outside and I cut it all down to the ground and throw it all in my compost pile. Because at that point, it's gonna go through the winter cycle, it's gonna obviously be dead at that point, and it's gonna die back to the ground, and then that's when it comes back from the ground in the spring and you start picking it. So at this point, you wanna leave it. It's just a big shrubby green mess, and that's how it should be. The bigger it is, the healthier it is, and you just let it go. So if you haven't seen asparagus this time of year, this is what it looks like. If you have some, leave it. Know you're gonna have great asparagus next year. If you have more questions, keep them coming. I'll try to show you things kind of interspersed throughout the year so you know what they should look like then. Share this around so everyone knows, because asparagus is delicious. It's the plant that keeps on giving because it's a perennial. You don't have to plant it every year. Okay, I have more garden work to do, so